Winding down to close now. We've got the HDFC twins that have led the recovery today, or at least that seem to be closing for the higher. But look at the kind of volume as well on some of these names. So we've had Tata Motors record the second highest volume traded in history. Axis Bank, that's the highest volume seen traded since August 2016. So that's just giving you an idea of the kind of activity that we saw in trade today. As CK said, on close it may still seem steady, but it's been a very, very volatile day of trading action, particularly with the face-off in Galwan Valley causing a little bit of nervousness mid-session. So let's take a look at some of the other names. On the downside, of course, it was primarily Tata Motors, but even a Vodafone, Shriram Transport, looking at active fundraising, Cadilla, PVR, IndusInd Bank, some of the names that closed lower in trade today. But where did we see the maximum pullback coming in? Let's see what's closed with gains. We've got JSPL that continues to look attractive on the charts, LIC Housing Finance, Godrej Consumer, and ICICI Bank closed actually with gains of about 3 in today's trade. Eicher Motors, Ultratech Cement, Titan, a couple of the other names on the list there. Avan?
Oh yes, indeed. Some of the stocks that we will still be watching out for is HPCL. Wait to see what they deliver. Do remember all of those OMCs as well have been in focus on the back of the petrol price hike. There's been Tata Motors that has digested its quarterly show as well as the commentary, and that has definitely been a hit across the numbers over there. Asian Paints, there's been that promoter pledge, so that stock too has been in focus, and you've across the board seen that by the end of the day we have seen that bounce back evidence. So 9,900 pretty much is where we're closing in on in today's trading session. In terms of the mix sectorally, well, what's taken a backseat is PSU banks, real estate as well as pharmaceuticals, while the Nifty bank, media as well as metal sector, they've managed to hold fort. A little bit mixed when it comes to the broader universe as well. You've got the mid caps which have held out in the green, the small caps though just about flat with a mild negative bias. Names like the Tata Motors twins, IBREL, India Bulls Ventures, Lemon Tree Hotels, Shoppers Stop, as well as Aditya Birla Fashion, they're all under pressure in trade today, while Natco, Ashoka Buildcon, Bharat Dynamics and Zensar Tech along with Rallis India have managed to gain smartly in trade.